Hi, this is your turn, and I'm gonna be singing a duet with my best friend Sharonda. Say hi.
Hi, that's me on the phone. That's me. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna be singing "Killing Me Softly" by the Fiji. So hope you guys like it. Here I go. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes.
Shine the pain with your fingers. I don't know the words. I'm gonna stop being rude. I don't know the words.